In this video, we're looking at the differences between impact screwdrivers and standard drill drivers, and the different applications that they're suitable for. In this particular case, we're showing our 20-volt range. We've got the hammer drill driver, and as I say, our normal standard impact screwdriver. One of the main differences between the two machines are their working mechanisms. If we start with the drill driver, this has a gear and clutch system to create a constant turning force, making it ideal for screw driving, drilling and boring, in particular for creating precise, accurate holes. It also features an adjustable gearbox that gives you greater control over the torque settings that makes it perfect for dealing with delicate materials and more precise drilling. Next, we come to the impact screwdriver. These use a rotating hammer internally that strikes an anvil, creating bursts of high torque, making them ideal for high torque applications such as large or long screws. The impact mechanism also creates less kickback on the user and requires less pressure behind the tool. This makes them ideal if you're working at arm's reach, such as if you're working off of ladders. These can be used for drilling, but the results are often untidy, leaving a less desirable finish for your workpiece. Drill drivers typically use a 3-jaw keyless chuck that can hold an array of different accessories, including round and hexagonal shanks. This makes them an ideal multi-purpose tool. Impact drivers, however, only have a 1/4-inch hexagonal chuck, which means only 1/4-inch hexagonal shanks can be used. Other factors to remember with impact drivers are that you must use impact quality bits when using these machines. If you use standard bits, you're very likely to shear the tips off of them. Also, you need to use, for the same reason, good quality fixings. The other factor with them is that they are noisy. So if you're working in a noise-sensitive location, it's very important, you're probably better off using a drill driver. To summarise, a drill driver is more suited for drilling and boring, for driving smaller screws and for more delicate and precise work. They are more versatile, with the capability of accepting various types of accessories. Impact drivers are noisier and less versatile, but are better suited for driving large screws and for quick and effortless high torque driving. They're also great for single-handed operation due to their lack of kickback, making them ideal when you're working off of ladders. Whilst there are many differences between the two machines, both advantages and disadvantages, ideally you'd have both machines in your toolkit to make your task easier and more efficient. For other videos and how-to instructional guides, please visit our website at www.sealey.co.uk.